You are going to love the 2026 Corsair. The Lincoln Corsair looks the part with an elegantly designed exterior. High-end interior features and technology are coupled with the functionality that you expect from a compact SUV. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, front-wheel drive, compass, heated front seats, clock, trip computer, outside temperature gauge, brake assist. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.